Hey guys, we are currently at Walmart to get the brand new air conditioner. I just got to Walmart and going back to the air conditioners right now. Lowe's did not have the one I'm really wanting. They had the same one I have now that only gets to 64 degrees, and ones at Walmart they have get to 62 degrees, so I'm getting the one at Walmart. Plus a warranty. I am actually showing proof I am doing this so the haters don't say anything. And no one can say or complain. Because I'm actually going to show the proof. So we are going back there now. I got to stop and grab one little thing though on the way back there. And yes, I will show you guys me installing it when I get home. This will be 2 videos turned into 1 video for you guys of getting the new AC and putting it in. One sec, let me grab this real quick. Alright, let's go back to hardware. My Walmart is pretty big, so let's see. What do we got? It's 10,000. No, I don't need 10,000. Okay, 5,000 and 10,000. No, we need 12,000. Where are they? There they are. Knew they had them. $8,000, $6,000, $10,000. They don't have the 12,000. Alright guys, we got the air conditioner in the cart. I had somebody help me. It is $423 without tax. I did make the fundraiser for a little bit higher just to be on the safe side. So I will see you guys later. I want to thank everybody so much. Thank you very much for helping out with me getting a new window air conditioner. Window air conditioner is in my apartment. I will be putting it in here in a little while. And I want to thank you guys so much. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are truly amazing. I love every one of you guys. Thank you for helping. And I am sorry about the video quality. I am not the best at making videos with a cell phone. I tried my best. Please understand, guys. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.